Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a watermelon slushie. So let's get started. To draw this super cool drink, let's first start by drawing the lip of our cup. So I'm just going to come right here and draw a curve as if I'm drawing an oval. And just going to go all the way across. And I'm going to come right back up about right here. So this is the width of my cup, about right there. And then I'm going to come into this area right here and just thicken everything up. So just draw a curve and another curve. And then we're just going to go follow our top curve. There, so we have the lip of our cup, and then from there we're going to draw our cups, the sides. So I'm going to come right in here and just draw two angles. So let's work on this side first. So I'm just going to bring this down. And it's all up to you how big you want your glass to be, or cup, whatever you're putting your watermelon slush into. So about right here, and then just going to match it because I'm not drawing too big, so I'm just going to go ahead and wing it. Try to match that angle, the other side, as much as possible. So about right there. So just watch my other videos if you want some tips on how to make this side, we'll match this side a little bit. But since we're drawing kind of small, I think we can do it. So about right here, I'm just going to round it off. I'm going to end my cup, and same thing here. Round it off, and then go ahead and connect it at the bottom with a curve. So I've been drawing a lot of drinks, so check out my how to draw drinks playlist, and hopefully you've loved them all so far. Okay, so then now that I have that, I'm going to come to the bottom right here, since I'm here, and I'm just going to draw another curve following my bottom. So this is just like the bottom of the glass. Give it some thickness there. Okay, so then now let's draw the top. And I'm going to come into this area. If you're using a pencil, just draw this mound of slush at the top first. But since I can't erase, I'm just going to come right here and draw some mint first. So I'm just going to draw a leaf, give it a little bit zigzag for our mint leaf. Right there, and then another leaf right here, just to break it up. Center line right there, and then let's see here, now we can go ahead and draw our mound of slush. So I'm just going to go up, I'm going to wobble up towards the center, nice big mound, so we'll say about right here, and bring it all the way back down. And then in this area, go ahead and just draw some lines here and there, so we give our slush some texture. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw a wedge of watermelon. So I'm going to put a wedge right here in this space, and just going to curve around a little slice of watermelon. And let's add another curve right here for the rind. And if you like, you can add some seeds. I'm just going to add some seeds just because I feel like it'd be nice graphically to add some black to this, so not everything is just red. So I'm just going to add some of these seeds in here just to pop it up. And let's draw a straw, and I'm going to add a really big fat straw. So we can slurp up all this yummy watermelon juice. Okay, so there we go. And now that we have our basic watermelon drink in, let's bring it to life and make it a draw so cute one, right? So let's come into this area, and I'm going to come about right here. Draw a big circle for a draw so cute eye. And the other eye is a wink, so let's work on this eye first. So I'm just going to put in two small circles for highlights, and then a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And then for this, oops, make this a little bit rounder. So for this side, I'm going to come right about here in the center, and say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw curve down and flick it up. So go ahead and thicken that up. And let's see here in between, let's go ahead and draw a sweet smile with a little tongue sticking up. And cap it off. And right here on top of the eye, I'm just going to draw a soft curve and then another one right there. Yay. Hopefully you love this wink. I'll change it up a little bit. Okay, and then since it's a pretty plain cup right here, a glass of juice, I'm just going to come right here. I thought it'd be really cute to add some hands. So here and here, just bring a hand around, bring it close to each other, and as you get to about right there, let's kind of draw this little heart almost. And that is pretty much it for this watermelon drink that I really hope inspires you to draw it too, and that I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.